Hey guys, Andy here with Expert Renovation. So midday, job is wrapping up. Fascia boards replaced across the front of the house. Treated 1x8 pine. Benjamin Moore Super Spec. Maestro Macaria putting the detail touches on right now. Always good to have a professional on the job. It's a house for one of our longtime clients. We roofed the house, done a lot of interior remodeling. And getting the outside tightened up. So that's how we do it. If we can help you out with your historical repairs, please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe.